Stop overpaying for professional aerial footage when you can get cinema quality shots from a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. I've spent the last month crashing, flying, and filming with the top sub 250-gram drones 2026 to see which ones actually survive the hype. Let's see which one is going to be your new favorite travel companion. The DJI Neo is essentially the selfie stick of the future, and it is arguably the most fun I've had with a drone in years. It's incredibly lightweight and designed for palm launches, meaning you don't even need a controller to get started. You just press a button, and it flies out to track you. The AI subject tracking is surprisingly sticky, following you through jogs or bike rides without losing its lock. Despite its tiny size, the 4K video is stabilized perfectly thanks to DJI's rocksteady tech, giving you that smooth, high-end look without the bulk. It features a fully shielded propeller design, which makes it one of the safest drones to fly indoors or around people. It's the perfect entry point for vloggers who want to add an aerial perspective to their stories without learning complex flight maneuvers. The flight time is decent for its class, and it recharges quickly via USB-C, making it a grab-and-go device that actually delivers on its promises. It's simple, smart, and changes the way you think about personal photography. If you want to grab the DJI Neo for your next trip, check the description below for the latest pricing and links. The Potensic ATOM SE is the dark horse of this list, offering a high-speed, high-quality flying experience for a fraction of the cost of the big-name brands. What really impressed me here is the Shake Vanish technology. Even though this drone is small, the electronic image stabilization works overtime to ensure your 4K footage stays level and crisp. It's a punchy little flyer, reaching speeds up to 16 meters per second, which makes it feel much more agile than your average budget drone. The GPS return to home feature is incredibly reliable, giving you peace of mind when you're pushing the range limits. It's also incredibly portable, folding down to a size that's smaller than an iPhone. For anyone who wants a rugged, fast drone that doesn't require a license to fly, but still captures professional-looking 12-megapixel stills, this is a fantastic value proposition. It's built well, handles wind better than most sub-250-gram drones, and the flight app is surprisingly intuitive for beginners and pros alike. Check out the link in the description below to see the current deals on the Potensic ATOM SE. The DJI Mini 3 remains a powerhouse in 2026 for anyone who prioritizes image quality above all else. The standout feature here is the 1/1.3-inch sensor with dual native ISO, which means your sunset and low light shots are going to look significantly cleaner than anything else in this price bracket. One of my favorite things about this drone is the true vertical shooting mode. The gimbal actually rotates 90 degrees, allowing you to capture full resolution 4K video for TikTok or Instagram Reels without any cropping. The battery life is also stellar, pushing past the 38-minute mark on a single charge, which is plenty of time to get that perfect cinematic sweep. It's incredibly quiet, which is great for flying in public places without drawing unwanted attention. If you are a social media creator who needs the best possible colors and a high dynamic range in a package that requires 0 FAA registration, this is the gold standard. It feels like a professional tool that just happens to be tiny. All the details and purchase links for the DJI Mini 3 are listed in the description area below. The DJI Mini 4K is the ultimate no-nonsense drone for people who just want to fly and film without a steep learning curve. It takes the legendary reliability of the original Mini series and upgrades it with a 4K camera and level 5 wind resistance, making it a very capable tool even in coastal areas. What I love about this model is the simplicity of the DJI Fly app. It includes quick shots like Droney, Rocket, and Circle, which perform complex cinematic movements automatically while you just watch the screen. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal is a massive win here, ensuring that even if the drone is tilting in the wind, your footage remains perfectly level and butter smooth. It's arguably the best first drone for a kid or a student because it's so durable and easy to control. You get the stability and GPS-backed safety of a high-end DJI drone, but at a price point that makes it accessible for everyone. Go ahead and check the description below for the direct link to the DJI Mini 4K. The Potensic ATOM 2 is a significant step up, featuring a 3-axis gimbal that provides mechanical stability that rivals the top-tier competition. This drone is aimed squarely at the prosumer who wants a lightweight, 4K-capable machine with advanced tracking features. It handles remarkably well in the air, with a flight controller that feels precise and responsive. The visual tracking system has been improved for 2026, allowing the drone to follow subjects with a higher degree of intelligence than previous models. It also boasts a long-range transmission system that keeps your live feed clear, even when you're exploring further away from your home point. The build quality feels premium, and the inclusion of a fast-charging hub in the bundle is a great touch for people who spend all day in the field. It's a very competitive alternative to the Mini series. offering many of the same high-end features with a slightly different flight feel that many pilots actually prefer. Take a look at the description below for the link to grab the Potensic ATOM SE and see its latest features. That's the lineup for the best drones you can actually buy in 2026. Whether you're going for the palm-sized Neo or the high-res Mini 3, you really can't go wrong with any of these. All the links for these drones are down in the description below, so go grab the one that fits your style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.